What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have one of our Vicrez rear bumpers. And this is for the 2021 SRT Hellcat style rear bumper. And it's for the Dodge Durango fitting 2014 to 2026 models. Now let's go ahead and open this so we can show you what it looks like. And then we can get into some of the accessories and how they're installed. Now, getting into the rear bumper, as we can see, it does not have the rear diffuser installed on it. And of course, it does have the sensor holes already pre-drilled and already have the inserts for the sensors. And then it also does not have the step bar here installed either. Now, one of the first accessory pieces will be this step bar. And this will simply just snap into place. I'm not gonna fully snap it into place, but I will show you how it does look whenever it's on. And this is how it does look. And of course, it is textured, just in case you're using it to get up into your trunk of your vehicle. Then next, we'll have the rear diffuser. Now, it does come with hardware for install. And then you'll also have your two side pieces to your rear diffuser. And guys, this rear diffuser is VZ102593. We do sell it separately, so if you already have the SRT Durango and you want this rear diffuser, you can just order this by itself. Now this is what the rear diffuser looks like, and these tabs on the bottom here, as well as the side pieces, are what the hardware is used for. Now, for installing these, you simply, let me grab the correct one. On the inside of the rear diffuser, there'll be little notches, little tabs for this to slot into, and then you simply just bolt them together and screw them together. And this is what it will look like whenever they're installed together. And then for install, on the rear bumper itself, you'll simply just line it up with the entire back edge. There is a groove. So I was gonna show you guys kind of how to install this, but without the bumper actually installed, it's too flimsy and the bumper is not fully to shape. But with it kind of like this, you can see how it would be installed and how it would fit on there on both sides. If we had the Durango here, I would show you guys. And then of course, the side pieces, you would have those installed as well, and they would just snap in further down on the side, like so. Now, that's pretty much it for this bumper. If you want to see more videos just like this one, or more rear bumpers like this one, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. And if you want to get notified when we post more videos just like this one, make sure to hit that notification bell, as well as that like button. Peace.